praktisch drin.
Made my life way easier years ago. It comes with 7 different attachments, so there's literally a tool for every single mess possible. You can vacuum crumbs, dust out tight corners, clean your car, and even use the blower attachment to pump up kids' pool toys or inflatables. And the fact that this thing is cordless and rechargeable makes it even better because you can use it anywhere without dragging around a giant vacuum or dealing with annoying cords. I'm not even kidding when I say this tiny thing is ridiculously powerful for how compact it is. I've been using it non-stop in the car, but now I need to get one for my house for the couch cushions, baseboards, and any other dirt or dust I need to vacuum up. And it was so affordable, like under $50 affordable.